Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Google Pixel 5a. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose I accept terms and privacy policy. Tap on Confirm below it. Click on Continue, Allow, and Allow again. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. When you finished, do exactly the same on the other device. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow, and OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola and receive at the bottom next to Send and History on Google. Also on Google, you need to tap on the best option for you in this pop-up about your ads. In my case, no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Motorola. Finally, you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories to select all of those files. In order to transfer them, select Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen ones and tap on Send then. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on Google next to User Guide and Input Key. Click on While using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here in Input Key section. And connect by tapping on the Receive button. Now, in the matter of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!